what do you do around the studs? As you can see, there's literally hundreds of them. So you've really got two options. Option number one is to take them all out one by one, and the downside to that is you probably won't be able to reuse them again because the shank on the studs usually or quite often breaks off, and then you have to find a stud that has the same size head, the diameter head, because if you take that stud out there and then the next one that you have with the new ones are slightly smaller, you're going to end up with an imprint in the leather, and you're going to see it all the way down there. So that's so option number one is to take them all out and redo them again with studs the same size, which is, as you can appreciate, is an absolute massive job. This particular owner of this one here said, look, just do the best you can and it'll be good. So another trick you can do is I've actually cut the masking tape down to the width of almost the full width of the stud. I'm just laying it over the top, and I'm going to spray over the top of it. And when I peel the tape off, I'm just going to have a slight edge, probably a very, very small amount just sticking out of on the edge of the studs there. You can see just poking through there, there's the edge of the stud. That's going to be a lot easier to clean that off, and you can just use your fingernail, and it scrapes off very, very easy because it's metal. And that way, that's a quick and easy way of doing a quick tidy up, which is what we're going to do with this one here. So I've just done the strip here so you can see how that looks. And then I'm going to spray it all. So when I've got it all masked up, I'll show you that. Rightio, so there we go. I've got all the studs masked off, and that's what that looks like. So I mean, the good thing about the metal studs is the finish is not going to hang on to them very well anyway. So you can either scrape off any overspray off with your thumbnail, or even just use a wee bit of masking tape pulls it off as well. So that's what that looks like. So there you have it, folks.